I just got this Hot Wheels 2021 H-Case in the mail, and from what I've seen, it has some really epic monster trucks. I really hope there's a Batman monster truck in here.
Oh, good grief.
And something else we're gonna do, we're gonna give away this Hot Wheels 2021 G-Case I unboxed in my previous video. Details will be in the description below. Wow, that's really cool. I hope I win. You can't enter, Batman. It's only for subscribers. All right, let's get started. I'm pretty excited to have my first giveaway. We'll talk about it more at the end of the video. All right, I'm excited. Let's get started. And the first truck up, it looks like we have a recolor on the Roger Dodger. That is a fantastic recolor. Look at how bright all these colors are. Has a fluorescent yellow engine, a blue body with green and orange flames. Has that pink suspension system. I think my daughters are gonna be a big fan of this one. Has a yellow crushable car. And on the back, it looks like its crash attack is the full speed slam. And here's the rest of the trucks in the case. Some really unique trucks in this one. That is awesome. Now, if you remember, the previous recolor on the Roger Dodger was this one from the 2021 E-Case. Really a beautiful car. I think I might be a little more fond of this one. I like that chrome engine and the purple suspension. And of course, who doesn't like the chrome wheels? But this is a really fun recolor, and it'll be fun to see it go down the track. And the next truck up, oh, I finally have it in my hands, the Bionic Bruiser, a brand new casting. Really unique body style. I like that silver body and that royal blue suspension system. Got those dark wheels on it. Has a chrome engine back there. An orange crushable car, and its crash attack is the AI Fry, artificial intelligence. Awesome stuff. Looks like it even has that bionic eye right there in the front looking at you. Will be fun to see it race down the track. And the next truck up, oh, a brand new casting again. The Tyrannosaurus Rex Jurassic World. Look at the card on this monster truck. Is that not awesome? And they replicated it pretty well with the head of the Tyrannosaurus Rex as the body. And he's got this big hitch or tail in the back. He's got those dark teeth, little beady eyes there on front. I like the texture of the truck. It really does look like skin on this with the dark suspension system, orange wheels. It's got that green crushable car. And on the back, it looks like its crash attack is jaw-boned. So that seems appropriate, but what a beautiful monster truck. I hope it eats the competition. Very awesome stuff. Let's see what's up next. And the next truck up is another recolor on Will Trash It All, but I have to admit, this is probably my favorite. What a standout. I mean, look at the beautiful tires on this. It's got that sawtooth blue and yellow tire, beautiful chrome wheels, and I love the color and the deco of this truck. It's got that teal body with that yellow dinosaur, right? And where the trash truck opens, you have teeth right there. It looks like he's opening and closing his mouth. That is spectacular. That is really a neat design, and I love this recolor. Probably my favorite. Now look at the front of the truck. And you know what I gotta do. Red crushable car underneath, and his crash attack, Compactor Crush. So really, a really neat recolor on this Will Trash It All. Whoever designed this one deserves a raise. Well, I saw this truck right when I opened the box, and my daughter's favorite show is SpongeBob SquarePants, so to have another SpongeBob is always a good thing for us. It looks exactly like it has previously, and I love the wheels, and of course I love the body with SpongeBob. Another red crushable car, and its crash attack is the Bikini Bottom Bash. So, awesome stuff. Always glad to have another SpongeBob. And the next truck up. Oh, look at this new casting. That is amazing. The Mercedes-Benz Unimog. Awesome four-door truck. Man, I wish I could drive something like this. Wouldn't that be sick driving down the road? Has that black roll cage back there. Nice exhaust and chrome engine. Has the Mercedes emblem right there on front. Just love the colors. I like the blue, the white, and the orange colors. Nice dark wheels. A green crushable car. It's part of the Crash Legends series. It looks like its crash attack is the heavy hitter, and I cannot wait to see it go down the track. I like how the weight is distributed in this truck, so I think he may be a quick truck. One of my favorite trucks of the year for sure, right there. I'd really like to see this in the Twisted Tread series. All right, next truck up. And we're down to 2 trucks. The next truck up, we have the 909. And the simplicity of this truck makes it beautiful. I like the red and the burgundy red undercarriage or suspension system, and of course those chrome wheels. Beautiful glossy paint. Look at that truck, just a beautiful truck. Blue crushable car. And its crash attack is the rear end rip up. That sounds dangerous, but the Paint Crush series is killing it this year. Good looking truck. And the final truck in this case is this green Land Rover. Just really classic colors for the Land Rover. It really is a neat monster truck. Has a lot of nice little details in it. Dark wheels, dark suspension system, chrome engine in the back. And of course it has a pulley system on the front. Nice orange crushable car. And it looks like its crash attack is the Rugged Rampage. So that sounds like he's gonna be a legit contender in the next King of the Hill. But I have to say, you guys, this was really an epic Hot Wheels monster truck case. Hot Wheels is on a roll for sure. Now let's go over some of my favorite trucks. I have to say that this very creative Tyrannosaurus Rex is definitely high on the list of one of my favorite trucks this year. Who doesn't like dinosaurs, let alone Tyrannosaurus Rex? They really did a great job on the head of this dinosaur to represent this monster truck. It's a nice casting, and I'm glad to have it. I also like the Bionic Bruiser. Really a cool design, and it'll be cool to see some of the new recolors. I think this truck really stood out to me. We'll trash it all. I really like the tires and the body decos are really spectacular. And the Unimog, I mean, who doesn't like this truck? I have to say it's my favorite of the case. Just a neat design, and it looks really tough. I tell you what, that Hot Wheels 2021 H case was pretty awesome. In regards to the G case giveaway, the winner has to live in the continental US. You have to be subscribed to Kit Racing and my new Kit Racing Shorts channel. You also have to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Just pick a number between 1 and 100 and leave it in the comments below. I've already picked the winning number. The closest to the number, or the person that actually picks the number, will win. And I'll email you, get your address, and I'll send you that case. Try not to duplicate the numbers. All this will be in the description. So all of us here at Kit Racing like to thank you for watching the video, and see you with the next unboxing coming up real soon. Take care.